so we've got some chicken thighs here, which I'm going to use to make jerk chicken. And this is a jerk chicken that's going to be done in the oven, but you would season it the same if you were doing it on a barbecue as well. So I put a bit of vinegar on. Oh, this chicken has been washed already, so I'm putting a bit of vinegar on to begin with. Then I'm going to put some garlic powder on. And then last but not least, I'm going to put jerk chicken seasoning, or some jerk seasoning rather, because this seasoning can be used on any meat, it doesn't have to be just chicken. Put quite a lot on, so it's going to be quite spicy. You might not want it so spicy, you might just want to put enough for the colour to change, but that's about it. Alright, so that's it. What you can do later on is put on some classic barbecue, smoky barbecue sauce, but you don't have to put that on before you cook it. Alright, so I'm just going to put it in the pan. No oil or anything is required. As you know, chicken has its own oil, and you'll find quite a bit of liquid comes off of it as you're cooking it. You can actually drain that off so that it doesn't make the chicken boil. You want the chicken to roast, not boil. So halfway through, when you're going to turn the chicken so that the other side browns, then you really want to pour off any liquid that you would have seen come out of the chicken. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the oven now.
Caribbean Classics Cuisine.
Jerk chicken is hard to get wrong. As long as you've got the right seasoning, then you should be fine. There's so many different brands of jerk seasoning out there, but get the wet version in a jar. That's the best.
So here's a jerk chicken. It's kind of half done, or maybe 2/3 done. I've taken it out so I can drain off the liquid, but also to turn the chicken. So let me drain off the liquid first. And then I'm going to turn the chicken. This is a lovely colour. And it's almost cooked on the other side, but just want to give it a nice colour there too. Alright, so I'm going to put this back in the oven.
So this is the jerk chicken completed. You can see it's dry here with no sauce, but later on I'm going to add some sauce, and there is another video where I show you how to make the jerk sauce. Actually, it's fairly simple, you can do it in 5 minutes, but jerk chicken is beautiful whether you have it with sauce or without. Just enjoy it. It's a beautiful Caribbean dish.